Good evening, Rina. Hello.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
I'm here. I need to tidy up this day. Here,
Good evening to you. Happy Monday.
happy Monday.
Are you sad?
No,
You look so sad.
no,
Are-
it's not.
Okay. How are you?
I'm great.
What did you do today?
I went to school and it's always same.
What did you learn in school?
Just I do some Korea and some math and so many things. I need something.
Or did you play?
Yes, I just talk with my friends. Joy.
Ay, Joy. How is Joy?
Today I don't play in the playground because our mom said it's so hot. We cannot play today.
hmm You know
And
what?
what do you do today?
Oh, in the morning, I finish my laundry. Then I cook lunch. Then
What do you eat
I
for lunch?
what did I eat for lunch? Oh, I had some vegetables too and some beef. Ay, no, pork. Then I ate scrambled eggs. There's a leftover of scrambled egg from breakfast. So I ate that too. But
Mm-hmm.
today for my snacks, I didn't bring any coffee. I didn't bring any coffee. Instead, okay, I'm going to show you. Okay. Hmm. I'm not sure if you cannot see this one. Cream cheese pimiento. Oh, it's like a sandwich.
Oh, I
Oh,
can
with
see you well.
so cream cheese pimiento, and of course
Yummy.
this one.
What is that?
It's my what do you call green coffee extract.
You
It's
know,
like
that's what not the today.
did you do taekwondo?
Yeah, but I changed my clothes.
Ah, your blouse is very girly. It's like it's very what's the color? Is it pink or is it white?
Pink.
Because in the camera it looks like a little bit of whitish. Okay. Do we have any books to read or any stories for you to tell me?
We had no one because we read all the magic adventure.
Oh, wait
I
a
want
minute.
to show you this one. It's a disappeared pack. Look,
What is that?
I had a crowd, right? Crowd.
Mm-hmm.
I just disappeared this. I raised it.
Oh, it's a mini board. It's something like it's a mini board where you can erase.
Period again, and I raised again.
Who gave you that? Did you buy that?
No, I made it. My mommy helped me too.
Oh, that's good. Oh, wait a minute. My other headset is fall. Oh, the other headset is falling. Oh, wait a minute. I'm just going to put this
And I made
here.
this one too. This is a pig box. I put this little thing inside and move as well. I just put it like this and mix and open. Here is it, and I mix it again.
How can you make it disappear?
I don't know, it's not really working. I just mix. Now I open it. It disappears.
Oh,
But
who
it's
taught you
in the
how to
cloud.
do that? How, who taught you how to do that?
I just make it. I see the YouTuber doing that. I just try and make it
Ah,
not be working. And I open it. Still.
how many mini boards did you make?
Just two. And many things I make. And I cannot show you all. And I have this too. I think I show you this. I put it and it said had a squish.
Squishy? You just made it? You
Hmm?
made it too? Did you make it too? Oh, what
Yeah.
is that? What
It's a
did
squish.
you, what materials did you use for your squishy?
It's just a soft foam inside and I draw it and I rub into taste and lime.
So how many squishy did you do? Did you make?
Enjoy just one. I have many squishes I made in my home, but I cannot show you. And I can show you this one. I made this. It's extra web or something. What character do you want? This is Uru and this is Lupa
Mhm.
and this is Upa. Who
Okay,
want to use? Who want to use?
oh, wait a minute. I cannot see very well. Can you? Okay. I think I will go with the first one. I will go with the
Who?
first one. No, no, the other one. The other
This
one.
one?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
Oh, what is
and
the
let's
what
go
is
to
the
the
name?
school. School.
So I'm going to
And
school.
inside has a table to sit down.
I'm going
Then
to
this
school.
character name is Upa. This character name is Upa. And Upa gonna sit down is Upa's place. But Upa is a little bit broken and I just fix it and go there.
Ah, oh. So am I going to school? You're going to on the picture?
Here, Upa gonna sit down here.
Oh, am I inside the school already? The classroom?
Yeah, and it's gonna eat some eat something, some seaweed and some grapes and cookies and juice and
Oh,
A spoon
am I
and a
eating
fork
lunch now?
and a tape.
Am I
Him
eating
is
am I
eating.
eating lunch now?
Yeah, he's eating. Yum,
So it's
yum, yum,
lunchtime. It's lunchtime now in school, so I'm eating now at the cafeteria, canteen.
yum, 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 yum. It's full now and it's done. Done.
So wait a minute. So after eating, I didn't go back to class?
Yeah. After
I didn't
we
g-
need to go home now.
Okay, so I went home very early. Why am I going home very early? I
Because
don't have
this is all extra school.
so I have to go to after school academies.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, can you choose? Okay, what academy am I going to? Am I going to Rina? Where are you now? Am I going to Taekwondo class too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what else did I do? So is it like okay after school? So now I'm finished with my after school. So where am I going to go next?
And I'm sure this one is. This is a. Do you know that in English?
Oh, it's a compass.
Yeah.
It's a
And I need
compass.
to go to Bukuk. And it's Dongdo and I need to go to Bukuk in Korea. In Korea, the Bukuk, Bukuk. I'm going to Bukuk. Bukuk is there. No, I cannot go because my door is shut.
Why are we going to Bukgo?
Because I wanna go to see a penguin.
Oh, okay. Oh, what is? After that. So where am I going to go now?
And this is all done.
We are done already. Oh,
I'm gonna make a upa upa too. I'm gonna make upa upa too next time.
okay. That's good. Okay, that's a good story. So I am the character inside your story. So I went to school, then I ate lunch, then I came home very early because I have to go to after school academies. Then after that, no more. It's the end of my story.
Yeah.
That's good.
I like
Oh,
Ooh. This is another character named Ooh.
ooh, ooh. Oh, what's my name again? I forgot my name. What's my
This
name?
you. You are Upa.
Opa? Pink color. I am pink. I am
Yeah.
pink. Oh,
Rita.
tomorrow again. Okay, tomorrow again, we're going to continue my story. Okay, so
Yeah.
tomorrow I'm going somewhere else. Okay,
Mm.
okay. So right now, I am giving you the pen now because we are going to use a or an. Remember, we are going to use a if the next word starts with a consonant like B, C, D. We are going to use an if the next word starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. So for example, okay, Rina, example, coffee. What's the first letter?
Coffee.
What's the first letter? Letter C, right? So what are we going to use?
Coffee. Or coffee.
Okay. Or you may write. Oh, I'm giving you the pen. Write a or an. Okay.
or
Good.
copy.
Oh, very good.
And
Okay. Or
also
let's.
orange.
So what's the next? What's the next?
Or
Oh,
salt.
oh, we can count. Remember, we can count oranges. One orange, two oranges, three oranges. We are going to use some for uncountable nouns. So we cannot use some oranges. We can use some orange, but what's the most appropriate since there's only one orange?
Or orange. And salt is some salt.
Okay, orange starts with letter O. O is a vowel. So what are we going to use? An, or some?
Mhm.
What are we going to use? Orange, an orange. So what are we going to use?
And orange.
Very okay. Please write an. Please write an. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is this? What is that?
Some salt.
Okay, because we cannot count salt, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, what's this one? Yellow. What is
A
that?
lemon.
Okay, a lemon because there's only one lemon. Okay, next soup.
Or soup. On soup.
Oh, remember we said we can only use an if the next word starts with a vowel, and soup starts with letter S. So what are we going to use? A, an, or some?
Some.
Oh, okay, some soup.
Some soup.
Okay, good. Okay, some soup. What's the spelling of some? S-O.
Some. Um. Some soup.
Okay. This one. What is the next one?
What is that?
Okay. What is the sound of the letters D and U?
Doorway.
Do. Then you add letter R.
Doorway.
Do. Dur. Okay. It's dur.
What is a door? Can you show me? I don't know. Door is a fruit.
Yes, it's a fruit. Yes, it's a fruit.
You try it.
Yes. But
It's yummy.
yes, it's yummy. But the only thing is the smell, the odor,
Mm.
because a lot of people don't like the odor. It's so smelly, but it's so delicious. It's so smelly and so delicious.
Then you eat it. Then you just do it like this and eat it.
Oh, I'm going to show you. Okay, wait a minute. We're going to find real pictures of durian. It's so smelly. Many people don't like it, but pretty amazing. The taste is pretty amazing. Okay, hold on. This is the durian fruit. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to show you. Hey.
It's what
Yummy.
inside has a croissant, like a bread croissant.
That's what we're going to eat. The flesh inside.
What is that inside?
This is the flesh of the durian. You ask your mom, okay? Later on, you ask your mom, Mom, have you eaten durian? It's pronounced durian. Okay,
What
durian.
is durian in Korea?
Let us check. What is durian in Korean? Okay, English to Korean. Okay, let us check. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, this one. I'm going to write this on the chat window. Can you see the chat window?
What is a chat window?
I wrote something. I wrote something on the chat window. Can you see it? Durian. It's durian.
Hmm?
You cannot see it?
Hmm. I can just see. Oh, I can see it. Durian.
Yeah.
Durian.
Yes. That is.
Hmm.
Okay, you ask your mom later. Mom, is durian yummy? Mom, your mom
And,
probably say, it's smelly. It's smelly.
and I
Okay.
eat. Then you try. Then you need to eat like that. But what
Okay.
smell is that?
Hmm. Very yucky smell. It's very, very strong. Very, very strong, but it's so delicious. So you can make durian candies, durian sweets, durian. Oh, wait a minute.
And what is durian flavor?
How can I say? It's like milk. It's like milk.
Hmm.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to show you some durian candy, durian. What else? Durian ice cream,
Oh,
durian,
so many. Then you can
durian.
make durian cook.
Yeah, durian chips. So these are the chips. Okay,
Mm,
so what else? The durian candies,
jelly.
desserts.
Okay.
Yes,
And where's the candy?
the candy is somewhere here. Durian candies. So
And durian
many.
jelly.
Durian. Oh, your baby brother. Oh, durian ice cream.
Uh,
Dried durian. So many. So many.
my
Oh.
brother saying is, Mommy, hug me. And in Korean, 엄마, 안아줘.
Okay. Oh, so that is durian. So what are you going to use? A, an,
On
or some?
some, no, on durian.
Oh, durian starts with letter D.
There's some durian.
But there we can count durian.
Yeah, then it's one. I'll say
So what are we going to use if there's only one?
all durian.
Very good. Okay, a durian.
All durian.
Okay. Oh, let's go to the next.
Okay, all egg.
Oh, egg starts with letter E. E is a vowel.
Then on egg.
Very good. It's an egg.
Then some sausages because it's one, two, three, four, so many and some sausages.
Okay, some sausages. But if there is only one
One,
sausage,
then we
so
can discount and it's a
ah,
all sausages.
very good. Okay.
Yeah. And the ketchup is on all ketchup.
Okay, ketchup. Oh, some ketchup. You cannot count ketchup.
Why inside in the bowl so many ketchup?
So you cannot count ketchup because ketchup is what? It's like a
So
sauce. So
some ketchup.
some ketchup. Okay. Any questions?
But the durian is how durian tree is look like.
Okay, let us check if we can find. Okay, durian tree. Okay, it looks like. Wait a minute. Oh, oh, okay. Oh my. It looks you can actually reach the durian. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. See,
Oh,
it's very short and you can probably reach the
durian.
fruits. Yeah. You can reach
But
the
in this
food.
durian, it's really like wobbling, not like that, and when it be spine, it's just wobbling. I think
Oh,
someone hit it and he been wobbling. Another one is wobbling too, and this is wobbling too, and wobbling. Why? This is this is not wobbling, but this is wobbling. Why the durian is wobbling?
oh, probably because it's moving. Because it's moving. Oh
Because the
my.
wind.
Yeah, probably because it's moving. So, wait a minute. I think I'm going to show you a tree with lots and lots of durian. Wait a minute. I'm going to find a picture. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Where are the pictures now? Where are my pictures? Oh, wait a minute. Where is the durian tree? Okay. So you never knew about the durian. You don't know anything about the durian.
Yeah, today I listened Woodian just today, the first time.
Okay. So where's the durian now? Okay, this one. Oh, actually, it's very short. Okay, very short. Okay.
Oh, this is wobbling too, and this is wobbling too, and this is wobbling too, and this is not wobbling, and this is not wobbling.
Oh my. Okay,
It's
so
all wobbling, and one more here.
okay,
Durian.
so you ask your mom later. Mom, um is durian yucky or yummy?
Yummy or yucky? I will
Yeah,
explain.
you will ask your mommy. Teacher Lisa said it's yummy, but the smell is very yucky. You tell your mom, Mom, durian, Durian.
Durian,
Yeah, durian. It's pronounced as durian.
not durian.
No, not durian. It's durian.
Durian.
Okay? Or
Okay.
I will ask you tomorrow again if you ask your mommy. Okay? Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.